The str_n_comp function in C++ is similar to strcomp. Strcomp compares two strings. The difference with str_n_comp is that it limits the number of characters to compare. Str_n_comp is in the C string header file, so we will #include C string. Let's give ourselves a string base, so const char star s1 equals base. We will want to print out our answer, so let's #include iostream as well. Also, it's generally not good practice, but I'm going to do it for the sake of the tutorial. I'm going to using namespace std. Let's give ourselves a string baseball, so const char star s2 equals baseball. On the next line, we will str_n_comp s1 s2 of 4. What that does is compare the first 4 characters of s1 and s2. Since they are identical, str_n_comp will print 0. Let's print out our call to str_n_comp to see as much. We will put to cout our function call. After that, put to our function call a new line character. This is the line where the using namespace comes in handy. Without that line, I would have had to prefix both cout and endline with std::. If we run this code, we'll see that our call to str_n_comp prints out 0, which is exactly what we would expect. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.